हैं मेवात में, जैसे देशराज ने बताया, रेडियो मेवात और अल्फाज़ी मेवात मैं बोलूँगी कि काफ़ी we're complementing each other, and the advantage is that with 2 radio stations in this district, we are kind of going to the entire district. We've been able to reach out to the last people at the last mile in Mevat, which is required in the area. He's mentioned, he's shown us the data that Mevat lags behind completely in the development process. Besides, its proximity with Delhi and with the Millennium City, Gurgaon, it somehow haven't catch the development race. And there are many reasons, I would say. There are socio-economic reasons behind it. Community is very closed, and as Ms. Estherkar also mentioned, it's actually, we can call it a media dark area. People don't have access to media. I believe only 14% of people have access to some form of media. Or, of course, newspapers reach there, but literacy is another issue. How many people can actually read them is a challenge. So, in such a scenario, community radios, I believe, has proven to be an excellent medium of information, an excellent medium to reach out to the community who actually needs it. So, the information gap that needs to be bridged in, the people to know about their rights and entitlements, all that can be covered if, the departments have a medium to reach out. They've been, I would not say that the local departments have not been able to reach out to the people, but everyone, no. So, for such kind of challenges, I believe community radio is a solution, is actually a solution. And we've been there, Alfaze Mevat, which is supported by Sehgal Foundation, and we are opened under the Atma scheme. We started in 2012. Although we have vast experience, 15 years back we started working in Mevat. So along with a lot of other interventions, we have seen ourselves that whatever work that we have done in the district from past 15 years, in the last 2 years, the kind of momentum the work has picked up, the way, it's accelerated the development process. And it's actually by reaching out to the people and also having a medium which is truly a community-led medium. The process of content development, we are broadcasting right now for 12 hours. And it's not a hunky-dory, easy thing that you have the content and you've broadcasted it. So you're All India Radio, you're there, you know how it is to develop the content. There is lots and lots of things, the work that happens off air before we actually come on air. And especially in the case of community radios, where we are the mouthpiece, where the people themselves are their mouthpiece, and they have to go and conduct meetings with their own groups. So this actually is one of the women workers who's going and conducting meeting in the villages for health programs. They go to the village health committees with parents, with expectant mothers, depending on what the issue they want to cover. Water is such a major issue in Mevat. Going to the schools and checking whether there is water availability, whether there is separate toilets for girls, sanitation, another bigger issue. So when we have to spend much more time in the community working with the people to be able to come up with the real issues. So the programs actually caters to each and every section of the society, whether it is children, older people, women, farmers. We ensure that all of them are addressed in some way or the other. Their buy-in is there in the programs. So particularly today I'm going to talk about the governance related programs and our work with the departments, government departments. Now governance, I am sure everyone knows, is another major issue in Mewat. People are, as I said, they're not aware of their entitlements. There are a lot of leakage of funds. There are leakages that happen at the PDS. So, I mean, you pick up an entitlement and we'll realize that the beneficiaries are not getting their due entitlements. Now, the realization actually is that they're not getting it because they're not aware of it. And that's why the role of a community radio is even more, becomes important. And people inside the community radio who are broadcasting, for them to know, for them to have the right knowledge is essential.